Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming library. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about converting data types in R. First of all, let's start with a numerical data, and we have a numerical value 6 assigned to a variable a here. And let's check the data type of a, which is of course numeric. And we can also check the data type of a using is.numeric function, and it is true because it's a numerical data type. Now we can convert that numerical value into a character data using a function called s.character. Let's see a1 now. Okay, now the numerical value a has been converted to a character variable, which is double quoted here, and we can check the type of a1 now, which is of course a character. We can also convert a vector, a numeric vector, into a character vector. So we have a vector b here, and we can use the same function s.character for that vector b to convert it into character vector. So we can see here the vector has been converted to a character vector. There are some special meaning for values like 1 and 0 in R, which is because they are also represented as logical values. So let's see what is the logical values for 1. And here we have used s.logical function. So the logical value for 1 is true, and for 0 it is false. Now let's see how we can convert character or strings. We have a character variable c here, and this c is a variable which has a value 8.6, a numerical value inside the double quote. So it is a character variable, and we can check the data type, which is character, and we can also check by using is.character, and the result is true because c is a character variable. Now we can convert that character variable into numerical using is.numeric function, and of course the result is 8.6. We can also check the integer value for this character variable c, and the integer value is 8. But converting a string is not always possible. If we have a string of alphabets or characters, then we cannot convert that into a numeric value. For example, we have a string here hi, and let's try to change that into numeric data type. So it's not possible, and R throws out an error message here. Now let's talk about converting logical values. We have a true logical value assigned to a variable e. So let's see what is the data type of variable e, and it is of course logical, and is.logical function also gives an output of true, indicating that e is logical function. Now we can convert that variable e into numeric variable using same s.numeric function. So let's see what is the value for true. It is 1, of course, and let's convert the logical value true into a character data. So the true is now inside the double quotes, means it is a character variable now. And what about the value of numeric value of the logical value false? It is 0. There are some more uses of data conversion in R. For example, we have a matrix M here with 12 elements selected from discrete random numbers between 1 and 20, and has 4 rows. So let's create that matrix M. And now we can convert that matrix into vector using s.vector function. So we have a vector here with 12 elements, and we can also convert that into a data frame using s.dataframe function here. So it is a data frame here, you can see. And finally, let's change the matrix M into a list using s.list function. Okay, so we have converted that matrix M into a list here. So that's all about converting data types in R. Thank you very much for watching.